Today we're going to be doing a block paved drive. This is the drive. We'll be digging it all out. We'll be putting a new line of pin curbs in, new line of pin curbs up there, and blocking the whole area. In here is we're installing a Soakaway crate in there so suds recognise it. That's because the drive's running to the road, so we need to have a Soakaway system in, and we're going to be putting some of these right the way along the front of the drive. The pipe will go in there. All the stone up ready for block paving tomorrow. Put the ACO drain in and the pin curbs in. They're in. Obviously the footpath sunk on the other side over time, but we're going to address that later on. Got the Soakaway in, ready to be connected up with this piece, which is going to go lovely on top and cemented. Right, we've got all the prep done for the drive. We've got the pin curbs in, we've got the ACOs in, we've got a Soakaway crate in there. If anybody has a drive done, and whoever does the drive, if they don't turn up with something like that, big diesel whacker, don't let them do your drive, because it'll just sink. There's every likelihood anyway. But yeah, got all the limestone in, got our lines on, where our finished block paving's going to be. Slight taper. The garage is going to be level here. There's going to be a little drop off here. Yeah, that's the line there. The drop off is just basically because of the way the footpath runs down. The drive needs to be level at the front, so that's going to fall away. There's the prep done. Top tip as well, whack your sand. Screed it, rough screed, then whack it. That's the time of whacker you need for whacking your sand. Just a few top tips when you're doing block paving is always make sure your face line, your front line is always perfectly straight. If you keep that straight and you keep that square, the blocks will go in perfect and key. Don't put your blocks too near the edge, because that causes them to wiggle out, go loose. And you get it straight up there. Row cuts, obviously the footpath wasn't straight, so we've had to make it straight. We'll have a header course going in there later. It's looking good. Just on the driveway, just brushing the sand in. It's a bit late, I hope it's not too dark for you to see the results. So that is the drive. Obviously we want to address this to the footpath sunk. Council probably won't want to do it. Just take up the cuts, nice and tidy cuts, up against the header course. Lovely cuts along there. Cuts. And that's it. Perfect.